Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the fiscal quarter based on given date and start of fiscal year. So the last video that I made, I show you how to get the fiscal year. Now I'm going to show you how to get the fiscal quarter. So it's almost the same process. We're going to create custom function in the Power Query, and we're going to use if statement as well. So let's proceed on that. So I'm going to load this sample data that I have in the Power Query. So I'm going to select any of it and then go to Data tab, from table/range, and then let's fix it. Let's rename it as the sample data, and then make our data as a date type alone, not the date time. So remove the time and then enter. That's it. And then on this pane here, I'm going to right click that and then create a blank query, new query, other sources, blank query. And then I'm going to use the view tab and the advanced editor. So let's remove this, and then I'm going to have the function. So I will have two variables, the date as date and then the start of fiscal year as date. And then the final output will be as any. And then go to sign, and then I'm going to use the let, and let's put the formula in the fiscal quarter. So in the fiscal quarter, we're going to have an if statement, because we have to consider the exact date, and then the exact start of fiscal year. I'm creating an if function to check the day of both the date and start of fiscal year. So the condition will be if the date.day of the start of fiscal year is greater than the date.day of the day, or the date, then the formula will be, we're going to use Date.AddMonths, and in the Date.AddMonths we have a date. So we're going to use the date, given date, and then the number of months to be added will be 12 minus the month number of the start of fiscal year, or FY, start of FY. So the start of FY is a date output, so we're going to have Date.Month before that in order for us to get the month number. And then that's it. Close the Date.AddMonths, and that's it. Now this whole formula will return a date output again, so we're going to have Date.Month again to get the number of month. And that's it. Now I'm going to divide it by 3, because that's one of the techniques in getting the quarter number, 1 to 4. And then here, some of the numbers will return decimal figures. That's why we're going to have number that round up to get the whole number. And then close it. So that's it. That's the formula that we have. We can get here the quarter number. And then I wanted to have Q before the number, so we can have concatenation here. I'm going to have in double quote Q before this number that round up, and then an ampersand to connect the number. We can have Text.From. So that's it, Q and then the number. So that's it. Now that's for true. Else, if the condition is false, we're gonna copy all of this, copy it and then paste it here, and then instead of 12 we're gonna use 1. So this whole formula here is can use if that is false, and then we're gonna display it in fiscal quarter. Done. That's it. That's the function. Let's rename it formula for get fiscal quarter, and then let's try it in the sample data. Let's add column, and then invoke custom function. Let's rename it first as the quarter, and then choose the formula get fiscal quarter. This is the date, the given date, and then let's try the date before Feb 18. So let's try Feb 15. So 15/2/2021, and then OK. That's it. That's the quarter label. Let's check it on the spreadsheet. Go to the Home tab and then close and load to existing worksheet. OK. Okay, so that's it. We've started Feb 15, so that's quarter 1 for Feb. Then up to April 27, and then 2, 3, and November 1 is still quarter 3 because it's gonna end on November 15. Okay, so that's it. Now let's try another one. Let's try an exact date. Let's say we're gonna try May 27 here, exact date here. Yeah, that's it, May 27. And then I'm gonna go back here, double click sample data, and then also double click invoke custom function, and then replace it in May 27, and then 5. Okay, then close and load. So that's it. It's gonna start quarter 1 May 27. August 21 is still quarter 1 because it's gonna end in August 27, and so on. Now let's try one last time. Let's have a date before September 29. Let's say it's a date after September 29. So sample data, invoke custom function, and then let's try 30, September 30. And then this is regardless of the year. So I'm gonna try 2020, and it's gonna return the same correct answers, 2020, and then okay. And then close and load. And that's it. September 29 is still quarter 4 because we're gonna start quarter 1 on September 30. And then that's it, quarter 1, quarter 2, and so on. And that's it, I'm finished, I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel, click the subscribe button, and see you next time, and thanks.